Once, in a bustling village, there was a brave and honest boy whose name was Amir. Every day, Amir helped his mother at the market by carrying goods and keeping track of the money they earned. Amir's mother had always taught him, "My dear boy, remember what the prophet said. Always speak the truth, no matter the situation." One day, while returning home with his mother, Amir found himself in a terrifying situation. They were surrounded by a group of robbers who sought to take whatever they could. The robbers looked at Amir and his mother with fierce gazes. One robber, taller and meaner than the rest, stepped forward and asked, "Do you have any money with you?" Scared but remembering his mother's words, Amir replied honestly, "Yes, we do. I have some money tucked safely under my belt." The robbers were taken aback. They couldn't believe that Amir had told them the truth so directly. One of the robbers, puzzled yet moved by Amir's honesty, asked, "Why did you tell us the truth when you could have easily lied to protect yourself and your mother?" Amir, with unwavering courage, replied, "My mother has always taught me to never lie, and I follow the teachings of the prophet, who says that honesty is very important." Something remarkable happened then. The robbers, amazed by Amir's bravery and sincerity, decided to spare him and his mother. They handed back the money and even offered them safe passage through the forest. As Amir and his mother continued their journey home, he learned an invaluable lesson. Speaking the truth, no matter how scary it seems, can sometimes change hearts and bring about kindness. From that day on, Amir's village knew him as the boy who was honest no matter what, and he inspired many others to follow the path of honesty.